Hey beautiful people, how y'all doing? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. Today I want to share this beautiful wig with you, and it's from Bobbi Boss, and her name is Bala. This wig was sent to me from divatress.com, and divatress.com is an online store that carries a lot of different wigs, and the prices are really affordable. They have a really good selection. I have been wearing this wig out during all of my holiday shenanigans. This was my wig, and I got so many compliments on how beautiful I looked, how glamorous I looked, and it definitely just stepped everything I wore up to the 1000th degree. This will be a staple wig in my collection. It's going to be one of those wigs I buy over and over again because it's easy, it's beautiful, and it's long lasting. So let me just tell you a little bit about the wig. It is a synthetic wig, so it is not human hair, but you can flat iron it, and you can also put the curls back in it up to 350 degrees. Now, when you get the wig, it does come much more curly than this. Like I said, I've worn it out. However, I love that it turns into these big, beautiful spiral curls after you've worn it out for a bit. I will put a clip in here on when I wore it to a birthday party, and it was super glamorous, super beautiful. I also wore it on New Year's Eve, and you can see how the curls were just so luscious and vibrant and shiny. And then as time goes on, it kind of dulls down into a more natural looking curl. It's definitely a lot of hair, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. The density is normal, it's believable. The length is long though. It's definitely about 24 to 26 inches. Let me show you where it goes down to. So you see how long it is? This is my armpit, and it comes all the way down here. So if we were to put both sides in the front, like what the model has, then you can see it is very long. I always put one to the back and one to the front. Here is the front. I have the wig in a number 2, and it says that it does use Swiss lace, and it also has a handmade 5-inch deep part in it. As you can see on the model, the color on her is really pretty, really interesting. They do have a lot of different color choices, so you can really get creative with your look. It is big head friendly, which I am so happy about, because even if my hair has a bunch of braids or it's all bunched up underneath, it still fits. I love the parting on this. I did have to open it up a little bit though and put some concealer in it. It does look really natural. All I did was just pluck a little bit here and just added a little bit of concealer in it. I love the way it hangs over, and the number 2 is dark. With Bobbi Boss, their number 2s are like number 1Bs, so you're still getting a black wig. Don't think it's gonna be dark brown, because it truly is still black. So like I said, I love this wig. I have nothing negative to say about this wig. This wig is beautiful. I've worn it over and over and over again, and it still hasn't tangled on me. I haven't had any shedding. It hasn't even matted on me, which I am shocked about, because I have definitely slept in this wig. I do believe that the quality of this hair is definitely a lot better than a lot of the other synthetic wigs. As far as the lace, it doesn't hurt me at all. The combs fit really snug. I love the layering up here with the side bang. I think it's super beautiful, and you can make it a lot more exaggerated if you put more curls in it. But this wig is so beautiful, you guys. I just think it is one of the most glamorous wigs I've ever owned. Every time I put it on, I feel like a bombshell. You should definitely check it out if you're looking for something for your going out nights. I think it's a little bit much for every day, but for going out, it'll definitely amp up your whole look. So make sure to check out divatress.com. I will put the links in the info box below, and if you have any questions about this wig or about anything else, please let me know. I do have a tutorial on this look. I will also link that below if you want to know anything about my makeup. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Big kisses. Mwah! Peace, love, and light.